Hello, I'm Dr. Shady Elmaghraby. I'm the chairman of the ASHRS Conference, and I'm pleased to invite all my colleagues and doctors who are interested in hair transplantation to attend the upcoming event that will be held for the first time in the Middle East on the 9th and 10th of January 2025. We have a conference and a live surgery workshop. We have great faculty from all over the world, more than 20 doctors coming from USA, from Mexico, Brazil, Greece, Turkey, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, South Korea, and of course from Egypt. On the first day, we have lectures from basic to advanced level. We have live streaming of a surgery, so the attendees will be able to see a complete live surgery on the first day. We will interact with the doctors performing the surgeries. And also we have a regenerative therapy workshop. We'll have different technologies in regenerative therapies. On the second day, we have the live surgery workshop, and you will see more than 20 doctors performing surgeries from all techniques, all new machines in hair transplantation with long hair FUE and all the new technologies in FUE. I hope to see you. Don't miss our event.